Small egrets are sitting on the byre, one sitting on the byre and one on the pillar. Small egret, one sitting on the byre and one sitting on the pillar. Third small egret also sitting on the pillar. These are also fish and insect eater. These are also fish and insect eater. Very interesting. Small egrets. Lower side of the small egret is whitish, while the upper dorsal side is blackish, grayish blackish in color. Beak clearly visible and very interesting phenomena. Like the video and subscribe the channel.